Very good morning, friends. Good morning, friend. Good morning. Okay. So in NPO, we have completed two questions in last session. Right, guys? So if you recall, guys, we have completed question number 7, question number 6, question number 5, 5, 6, 7 we have completed, and also we have completed question number 4. Right? So 4, 5, 6, 7 we have done. Right, guys? Okay. And now we are starting with the long questions. Okay. Long questions, 12 to 20 marks weightage. So first we are starting with long question 9. Okay. With question number 9. Yes, guys. Okay. So you are given, first of all, you are given RNP account, right? You are given RNP account. Okay. And then you are given adjustments. This you are given adjustments. Okay. So first you are given RNP account, then you are given adjustments. So to make it simple, we can number this adjustment first. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Please do like this, guys. So there are 10 adjustments. RNP is there. Okay. Now this RNP is of 31st March 20, right? 31st March 20. And here you are given 1920 both. So I can say this is you are given opening balances and this is you are given closing balances, right guys? This is you are given opening balances and this is you are given closing balances. And what is asked? Now, the closing value of furniture and sports equipment are to be determined after charging debris of 10 and 20 respectively, inclusive of addition. Inclusive of addition. So we can say this is adjustment number 11. We can say that this is adjustment number 11. And the books are revalued at the end of the year at 5250. It is your adjustment number 12. So first of all, it is always preferable that you write adjustment number very properly. Very properly. Right, guys? And now what is asked? What we are supposed to prepare? The balance sheet as on 31st March 19. So you need to prepare opening balance sheet, right? INE for 20 and balance sheet for 20. So this is closing balance sheet and this is INE. This is what we are supposed to prepare. Right, guys? Opening balance sheet, current year INE and current year closing balance sheet. Right? So first, let's prepare balance sheet as on 31st 3/19. Which is known as opening balance sheet. So first we need to prepare opening balance sheet 31st March 19. That is last year balance sheet. That is last year balance sheet. Okay, guys. Now what we are supposed to do? See how smart work needs to be done. Okay. See very carefully step by step. Okay. Very carefully step by step. Okay. This is your opening cash balance, right? 4820 is your opening cash balance. So we will write 4820 in opening balance sheet. We will write 4820 in opening balance sheet. Okay, guys? Four eight two zero, right? And now what smart work you can do? What smart work else you can do? Okay. What next? Now this all are opening balance. Remember, guys, this all are opening balance, right? So this all opening balances are in opening balance sheet, right, guys? This all opening balances should be part of opening balance sheet. All, right? So how many amounts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 amounts. Right? So this 10 amount should be part of opening balance sheet. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now which amount should be where? That you know very well. Tell me, guys, from this 10 amount, how much, how many are your assets and how many are your liabilities? Tell me from this 10, how many is your assets? 5, 6, 7, or how many is your liability? Tell me fast, giving you 20 seconds only. Giving you 20 seconds only. Be fast. Be fast, guys. Tell me. Yes, Pratiksha, you are right. Yes, guys. Be fast. Tell me. From this 10, how many assets and how many liabilities? Yes, guys. How many assets? How many liabilities? Okay, answer is 7 and 3, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 7 and 3, 7 and 3, 4 and 6, 7 and 3, 7 and 3, 4 and 6. Okay, so I can say simply these three are our liabilities. Simple. These three are our liabilities. And this 7 are our assets. Yes, guys? 3 liability and 7 assets. Done? So we have to put this amount just in assets and liability side. Nothing new to be done. We need to simply put this 7 amount on asset side and 3 amount on liability side. Nothing else. No need to apply mind now. Okay. So 710, 864 and 226. 710, Yes. 710 864 226. These three are your liability, right? And this 7 20,000 500 1263 20,000 500 1263 417 9600 700 and 5,000. Right, guys? 7 asset, 3 liability. And now, if you find out the balancing figure, it is known as capital fund. Yes, guys, it is known as capital fund. So, asset side total minus liability side total. Okay, asset side total minus liability side total. So, you can see here also 4,000 and it is 47,000. You can easily compare. Same story, guys. So this is your opening capital over. This is your opening capital over. Opening balance sheet. Then guys, interest accrued, that is outstanding interest on deposit. It is receivable. Interest accrued, that is outstanding interest receivable. Prepaid expenses ऐसे ही होता है पल्लवी. It is expenses paid in advance. It is always our asset. Then guys, okay. After this opening balance sheet, now income and expenditure account. If possible, guys, if possible, please prepare two amount column because there are so many adjustments. In exam also it is preferable, guys. You prepare 2 columns in amount. Better for clarity. And then balance it. Okay, guys. Now, step by step, very important point we are starting. Please concentrate properly, guys. Please concentrate properly. Okay. Now, what first we will do? First, we will put all the adjustment number with that concerned RNP. We have 12 adjustments, right? And we will put step by step all the adjustment number with that particular amount. Okay. So guys, the first adjustment is salary. So near salary, we have to put 1. Near salary, we have to put 1. Okay. So near salary, it's a first adjustment affecting, guys. Then rent, it's a second. Newspaper and magazine, it's a third. Fixed deposit and interest. So this is interest and fixed deposit, adjustment number 4 and 5. Subscription, adjustment number 6. Prepaid expenses, matlab sundry expenses, 7. It is 7. Now, furniture, equipment and library books. So you can say here equipment is there and books also is there, right? So furniture is 8 and equipment is 9. Equipment is 9 and book is 10, right? There is no furniture purchase here. So 9 and 10. 11 regarding depreciation on furniture and equipment. So 9 as well as 11, and here books 10 and 12. So like this, you should tick all the adjustment by pencil. Okay, in exam, don't use any other color pen. It will be a malpractice. Okay, your result will be withheld. In May 23 exams, many students result was withheld. इंस्टीट्यूट ने रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं किया बिकॉज उन्होंने गलती से कुछ मार्क कर दिया था, कुछ स्टार कर दिया था, कुछ अलग पेन यूज कर दिया था, गलती से अपना नाम लिख दिया था, राइट। सो ये कोई गलती आपको नहीं करनी है, और ये सब तो आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में करना है, ठीक है, आंसर शीट में नहीं करना है। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट। डन गाइस, कैन वी स्टार्ट step by step now? Okay, this 480 we have 4820 we have done. Now subscription 28,600. Okay, we are starting with income side, but there is adjustment number 6. It is regarding outstanding subscription 1263 and 1575. So guys, 1575 is the outstanding of current year. 1263 it's the outstanding of previous year. So one amount we will add and one amount we will minus. So tell me what we will add and what we will minus. What we will add and what we will minus. Yes guys, what we will add and what we will minus. Yes, so we will start with by subscription 28,600 plus outstanding of current year minus outstanding of previous year, right guys? Right. So 1575 will be add and 1263 will be minus, right guys? What will you find amount in the outer column guys? 28912. Yes, yes, outstanding of current year plus and previous year minus. Perfect guys, perfect. And immediately this 1575 will be current year balance sheet. It is our asset guys, don't forget, it is our asset. It is our asset. Then guys, can we go further? Okay. The next income is MISC income 760. 700. 700. Right, guys? But there are no adjustment. There are no adjustment. Right? But there are no adjustments. So as it is, no adjustment. Done, guys? Okay. Next you are given in question is interest on fixed deposit, which is 2000. So 2000 you have received. 2000 interest you have received. Now there are adjustment number 4 and 5. Adjustment number 4, 500 interest also same. 500 interest also same, because FD do not change. So plus outstanding of current year minus outstanding of previous year, both are same, friend. So it will remain same as 2000. Yes, it will remain same as 2000. Got it, friend? And 500 interest outstanding, which is our asset. It is interest receivable. Interest receivable. Outstanding interest receivable. So we need to write outstanding interest 500, and don't forget to write FD also asset side 20,000. Got it, friend? Adjustment number 4 and 5. FD is my asset and outstanding interest is also my asset. Both are my asset. Yes. Vaibhav, in RNP account, it is your receipt, and whatever are your receipt is including current year as well as previous year. So subscription total what you are given, it is your total receipt including current year as well as previous year. So previous year I have to minus. Okay. Whatever amount are given in RNP, there is no year-wise bifurcation is given. So this is a total including what you received of previous year. So previous year I have to minus. Okay. Vaibhav? Got it, friend? Now FD and interest are over. Now let's move to the expense side, because income side is over. You are given salary 12,000. We are given it is known as a salary paid. Vaibhav, see, I'm repeating once again. Now this 12,000 what you have paid is including the salary of last year you have paid. Therefore, we have minus, and current year what you have not paid, I have to add. Okay. So this 12,000 is including outstanding of previous year. So you are given 170 and 710. So this 12,000 is including 710. Including 710. पिछले साल काउंसलिंग आपने इस साल पे किया होगा, तो 12,000 में इंक्लूड है. समझ में आया डियर? सो जो अमाउंट पेमेंट में होता है 12,000, इट इज इंक्लूडिंग 710 अनलेस एंड अंटिल स्पेसिफाइड, अनलेस एंड अंटिल स्पेसिफाइड। देयरफॉर मुझे उसमें से 70 माइनस करना पड़ेगा और जो इस साल का 170 है वो ऐड करना पड़ेगा। ओके, सेम रूल। आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ करंट ईयर like this, like this. Salary 11,460, and don't forget to put 170 on liability side. And 47,000 also let's write as an opening balance. Otherwise, we will forget. Okay. Opening capital fund, what we have find first from opening balance sheet? It is opening capital fund. And outstanding salary. Okay. Now let's move the second one. Second one is given your expenses. Next expenses. It is rent and electricity. It is paid. Seven double two double zero. Same story. So 973 and 864. Yes. And outer column amount will be 7320. And don't forget to put 973 balance sheet liability side. 973 balance sheet liability side. Here. Balance sheet liability side. Okay. Now, after rent, assets we are doing at last. Okay. Assets we are doing at last. Next is a newspaper expenses. By magazine and newspaper. 2172. Same story, guys. 340 and 226. 340 and 226. 2286. And 340 will be your liability. 340 will be your liability. Right? Till this point, I think going smoothly, guys. Till this point, I hope going smoothly. Yes. Same story. Outgoing of current year plus and previous year minus. अंकित कौन सा पेड़ हुआ है बताओ मुझे. है डियर 170 कहां पेड़ हुआ है बताओ आप. डियर थोड़ा सम तो बराबर पढ़ो. 170 आउटस्टैंडिंग है. कहां पे हुआ है? पे करने का बाकी है डियर. इसलिए वो लायबिलिटी साइड है. So all outstanding on liability side. Okay, done. Next you are given is a sundry expenses 10278. Right, guys? Now here it is given prepaid expenses. You are given prepaid expenses, so it will be opposite of outstanding. Okay, opposite of outstanding. So plus करेंगे prepaid of previous year, minus करेंगे prepaid of current year. So if it is prepaid, it is opposite of outstanding. So पिछले साल का ऐड करेंगे, करंट ईयर का माइनस करेंगे. सो 417 प्लस करेंगे, 417 प्लस करेंगे एंड 620 माइनस करेंगे. 417 प्लस करेंगे एंड 620 माइनस करेंगे. 10075 and it is a advance expenses paid. Advance expenses paid. It is advance expenses paid. It is our asset, guys. So it will be on asset side. It is prepaid expenses. It should be our asset. It should be our asset. One 0075 and 620 will be your asset. 620 will be your asset. Okay. Okay. Now next is equipment. Okay. Assets we are doing at last, and last given 2450. Guys, 2450 is a closing cash balance. 2450 is a closing cash balance. Two four five zero is a closing cash balance. Okay. So now what is remaining is three assets. Now what is remaining is three assets only. Okay. Now friend, carefully remember what is that. Okay. Let's start with the first of all library book. Library book. Okay. I am writing here separately just for the better understanding. Now friend, what is the rule? See, what is the rule? Okay. Rule is, rule is opening balance plus purchase minus sale minus depreciation equal to closing balance. Opening balance plus purchase minus sale minus depreciation equal to closing balance. This we need to follow. This we need to follow. Okay, right? And this closing balance will be in outer column. Now tell me how much opening balance of book given in question. How much opening balance of book given in a question? Tell me. Tell me. How much opening balance of book given in question? How much opening balance of book given in question? ओपनिंग बैलेंस पूछ रहा हूं मैं. बुक का ओपनिंग बैलेंस कितना है? मतलब बुक बैलेंस एज ऑन 1st अप्रैल 19 और 31st मार्च 19. बुक का ओपनिंग बैलेंस कितना दिया है? ओपनिंग बैलेंस का मतलब होता है लास्ट ईयर का क्लोजिंग. मतलब 31 मार्च 19, 31 मार्च 19, 31 मार्च 19, 31 मार्च 19. बेटा 1000 रुपया तो परचेस किया है, वो पेमेंट है, थोड़ी ओपनिंग बैलेंस है यार. थोड़ा दिमाग अप्लाई करो. सीए वाले स्टूडेंट हो. आरएनपी अकाउंट इज योर कैश बुक. क्या कैश बुक में कभी बुक का ओपनिंग बैलेंस होता है? कैश बुक में तो पैसे आए और पैसे गए वो होता है. 1000 तो आपने पैसे दिए बुक लेने के लिए, वो है 1000 is a expenditure on purchase of book. It is not opening balance. Apply your mind before you speak. Okay. Write down if you don't remember. In cash book, there is always purchase and sale of asset. इन कैश बुक देयर कैन नेवर बी ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ एसेट. लिख दो, पता ना चले तो. इन कैश बुक देयर इज ऑलवेज परचेज और सेल ऑफ एसेट. In cash book there can't be never any opening balance or closing balance of asset. It must be given separately. अब समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं गाइस? 1000 is a purchase of book. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर परचेस किया, ड्यूरिंग द ईयर परचेस किया 1000. ओपनिंग बैलेंस 5000 है. बुक का ओपनिंग बैलेंस 5000 है. इट इज क्लियर गाइस, ये फंडामेंटल है. ओके, फंडामेंटल याद रखो, सम याद मत रखो. फंडामेंटल, फंडामेंटल. ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग अलग से नीचे दिया होता है, कैश बुक में नहीं होता है. ओके, राइट. यस गाइस, सो ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज गिवन 5000, right? Opening balance is given 5000. This 1000 is your purchase, my dear friend. Please write carefully. It is, ये कहां से मिला? ये कहां से मिला? From adjustment मिला. ये कहां से मिला? From adjustment मिला. ये कहां से मिला? आरएनपी के पेमेंट साइट से मिला. ऐसा लिख दो, पता ना चले तो. सेल, सेल 0 है. वो कहां से मिलता है? आरएनपी के रिसिट साइट से. अगर आप आरएनपी का रिसिट साइट देखोगे तो वहां बुक नहीं है, पेमेंट साइड है. रिसिट साइड नहीं है, पेमेंट साइड बुक इज देयर. सो परचेस इज देयर. रिसिट साइड देयर इज नो बुक, तो देयर इज नो सेल ऑफ बुक. क्लियर गाइस? ऐसा लिख दो. Is it clear guys now? Okay, write it properly. If your notes are not clear, nobody can teach you, because when you will prepare your exam, YouTube lecture will not be there, me sir will not be there. Your notes will be help you. If you don't write notes, you will waste time. सो 5000 कहां से मिला? ओपनिंग बैलेंस से मिला, अलग से एडजस्टमेंट में से मिला. परचेस कहां से मिलता है? फ्रॉम पेमेंट साइड. रिसीट साइड कहां से मिलता है? सेल. ओके, एंड नाउ you are given closing balance. How much closing balance you are given in a question separately in adjustment? See the 11 and 12. See the adjustment number 12. See the adjustment number 12. See the adjustment number 12. The closing is given 5250 guys. Yeah, it is also कहां से मिला? From the adjustment. So we can say this is my balancing figure. Plus sir 5000 plus 1000 6000 होना चाहिए. My closing balance should be 6000. My closing balance should be 6000. But in books it is revalued at 5250. Sir 5000 का opening balance था, 1000 कैसे परचेस किए. I must have 6000 balance. But in adjustment, closing is given 5250. It means 750 is a depreciation. It means 750 is a depreciation. Got it friend now? 5000 is opening balance, 1000 I have purchased. My closing balance should be 6000, but it is given in 12 number adjustment. It is 5250. Sir, my book value decreased, so it is a depreciation of 750. It's a depreciation of 750. देव कुमार मैंने 5 बार बोला, 5 बार. देव मैंने 5 बार बोला. अगर सेल होता तो रिसीट साइड दिया होता। ऐसे मैं 5 बार बोला बेटा, 5 बार बोला ना मैं। तो क्यों बोल रहे हो सेल? कौन सा सेल? 150 का। आर यू गिवन 150 on receipt side? No, it means there is no sale. If there is sale, it would have been given on receipt side. Receipt side there is no library books, no sale. Sale में zero लिखना है, and therefore DEPRI will be 750. Percentage of depreciation are given for furniture and equipment. कौन सा 10% मेरे भाई? नहीं दिया। पढ़ो ध्यान से, इट इज फॉर फर्नीचर एंड इक्विपमेंट के लिए दिया हुआ है। बुक का डेप्री हमें ढूंढना है, नॉट गिवन इन क्वेश्चन। द परसेंटेज आर गिवन फॉर फर्नीचर एंड इक्विपमेंट, रीड केयरफुली, इट इज नॉट फॉर बुक। यस, clear guys? Now I'm going forward. Okay, so this 750 will be part of INE. Depreciation book 750. Depreciation book 750. Okay, now next asset. Now next asset. Okay, there is sports equipment. Opening plus purchase minus sale minus depre equal to closing balance. Okay, same story. Same story, guys. Same story. Yes, Rohit. Yes. We will write consumption on INE. Okay. Yes, Suraj. No need. Yes, Shivam. You are right. Okay. Now tell me how much opening balance given of sports equipment. How much opening balance given of sports equipment? Yes, friends. Opening balance of sports equipment. How much given? 7200. Yes. Now see the RNP. See the RNP. See the RNP. And tell me how much purchase and sales given of equipment. How much purchase and sales given of equipment? See the RNP. How much purchase and sale given? See the RNP. Sir, it is on payment side. Nothing is given on receipt side. 1,000 purchase, no sale. 1,000 purchase, no sale. Yes. पेमेंट साइड दिया, रिसिट साइड कुछ नहीं दिया. Right? And now see the percentage of depreciation. How much percentage of depreciation you are given on equipment? How much percentage of depreciation you are given for equipment? It is given 20 percentage, right? So total is 8200. 1640, guys. And what will be the closing balance? Yes? Clear, guys? And don't forget to write depre in INE also. Don't forget to write depre on INE debit side also. Depre, equipment, 1640. 1640. And last is a furniture. Okay. Last is a furniture. I am writing here only. Furniture. Opening plus purchase minus sale minus depre equal to closing. What is furniture opening balance given, guys? Thank you, Vade. Thank you. ओम वो आएगा. ओम पहले जो हो रहा है वो सीख लो डियर. वो आएगा नेक्स्ट सेशन में. पहले जो हो रहा है वो सीख लो. अगर ये समझ में आएगा तो ही वो नेक्स्ट सेशन में समझ में आएगा. सो अभी जो हो रहा है वो सीख लो डियर. ओके. How much opening balance of furniture given? 9600, guys. Perfect. Tell me how much purchase and sale. How much purchase and sale? See the RNP. See the RNP and see how much purchase and sale. See the RNP. How much purchase and sale? Sir, in RNP, there is no purchase, no sale. No furniture given either on receipt side or payment side. No furniture is given either receipt side or payment side. In RNP, no purchase, no sale. How much depreciation? So it is 10 percentage. 960. How much outer column? 8640. And don't forget to write depre here also. The last point of the question, you can freeze the INE. You can check with the answer. Okay. There are three amount on income side. There are three amount on income side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Including depre. There are 7 amount on debit side. So it is 34500, 34500. It's a balancing figure. Here you can see in question 2888. It is known as a loss. Loss is known as deficit. Loss is known as deficit. Right, guys? And this deficit is minus from capital. This deficit is minus from capital. Double four, double one, double two. And now you can tally the balance sheet. So on liability side, there is only three liabilities, right? Double four, double one, double two, and three liabilities. The only this one on liability side, only this one. So only this much on liability side. And on asset side, there are so many amount as we discussed. So everything we have written, everything. You can compare with the answer. Yes. So it is loss. So it is loss. It is loss expenditure. Then guys, thank you Vaday. Thank you Chanchal. ओके सो नेक्स्ट एक लेंदी सम करेंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद 5 मिनट के ब्रेक के बाद भवानी Welcome back, friends. Somebody was asking me 2450 कहां से आया बेटा यहां से आया right this is closing cash balance okay done यहां से आया ओके अब बात करेंगे उसके ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन की दैट इज 8 that is 8 okay so once again you are given rnp of 20 and once again these are opening balance and closing balance so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so total there are 7 adjustments total there are 7 adjustments done guys okay so subscription affected by number 1 printing affected by second repair affected by 3 right 1 2 3 are clear guys machinery and equipment it's a machine this is equipment very carefully guys very carefully it's on both the side machine equipment are both the side machine equipment C are both the side okay interest is 5 interest will be our income receipt side interest is 5 Now groundman, bonus to groundman, bonus to groundman. So salary of groundman something we can write. It's a groundman fee. Okay, it is different, but we can write with this. Just have a little bit recall that we need to add groundman bonus. It's 6. And last is honorarium. Now guys, honorarium is like a salary. Just for understanding, you can understand. Honorarium मतलब एक प्रकार का सैलरी, एक प्रकार का सैलरी. Salary to secretary and treasurer are to be increased by 200. Are to be increased by 200. So this is 7. This is 7. So till this point, all numbering and all are done, guys. Can we switch over to the next point? Okay. Now, what is asked in a question? Prepare INE and balance sheet. INE and balance sheet. Okay, guys. Now, in previous question, they have specifically asked to prepare opening balance sheet, INE and closing balance sheet. Here, they have only asked INE and balance sheet. So tell me, guys, in previous question, from opening balance sheet, what we have find out? What we have find out? Capital fund. Capital fund. Right, guys? Now, if you see the question here, see, they have given opening and closing. They have given here opening, closing, but capital fund is not given. So please write very carefully. Please write very carefully as opening. As opening capital fund is not given. As opening capital fund is not given. We have to prepare balance sheet even though it is not said. Even though it is not said. As opening capital fund is not given, we have to prepare opening balance sheet even though it is not said. Clear, guys? Even though it is not said. So first of all, friend, like previous question, we have to prepare opening balance sheet. Now, one very important point is here. That's why I'm preparing this. Otherwise, I would have given homework. But very important point is here. Therefore, we need to prepare. Yes, guys. Even though it is not asked in question, we have to prepare to find out opening capital fund. Okay. Now tell me, in last question, what we have written first in opening balance sheet? लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने सबसे पहले क्या रखा था ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में? टेल मी गाइस, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले क्या रखा था हमने ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में? इफ यू रिकॉल, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले क्या रखा था हमने ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में? सबसे पहले रखा था कैश बैलेंस, ओपनिंग कैश बैलेंस, ओपनिंग कैश बैलेंस. Now, friend, if you see the RNP, if you see the RNP, you are given opening cash balance of 100, right? And you are given two bank balance, deposit and current. Okay. But now the important point is, जिसके लिए हम ये सम कर रहे हैं. Now, friend, see very carefully. See very carefully. See very carefully. See very carefully, guys. This is as per passbook. This is as per passbook. So these two balance are as per passbook. And we have to write in balance sheet balance as per cash book. Balance as per cash book. Right, guys? So this balance are not correct balance. And we have to understand, is there any bank reconciliation entry in the adjustment? Okay. So tell me, guys, in this six adjustment, is there any entry which is part of BRS, which is part of bank reconciliation? Tell me, guys. Anything which is part of BRS? कोई एंट्री कैश बुक में नहीं लिखी, कोई एंट्री पासबुक में नहीं लिखी. We have a two account, deposit and current. Is there any entry which is part of BRS? Which is part of BRS? Yes, guys. Perfect. You are perfect. Okay. Sir, first of all, First of all, check unpresented. It means check issued but not presented. Check issued but not presented. Yes. Check issued but not presented. मतलब ये दोनों चेक अभी भी बैंक में प्रेजेंट हुए नहीं है. हमने रिपेयरिंग के चेक दे दिए लेकिन अभी वो बैंक में प्रेजेंट हुए नहीं है. तो पहले मुझे बताओ ये हमारे रिसिट्स है कि पेमेंट है? टेल मी, ये हमारे रिसिट्स है कि पेमेंट है? पहले बताओ, ये हमारे रिसिट्स है कि पेमेंट है? यस गाइस, ये हमारे रिसिट्स है कि पेमेंट है? सर ये हमने इश्यू किए तो हमारे पेमेंट है. देयरफॉर it should be deducted from the bank balance. Yes guys, therefore it should be deducted from the bank balance. It should be deducted from the bank balance. Yes, it should be, please write carefully, it should be deducted from the bank balance. So this 300 will be deducted from this 600. 600 minus 300. So the correct balance is 300. Got it guys? 600. This is as per passbook. Sir, one check is not yet cleared, so I need to minus it because it is not yet deducted from the 600, and therefore correct balance is 300. Correct balance is 300. Correct balance is 300. Okay, same with here guys. साथ में खत्म कर लेते हैं साथ में. This 260 will be deducted from here. 150 minus 260. So now the balance is minus 110. Minus 110. So opening current account balance and closing current account balance. See the screen. Opening current account balance and closing current account balance now will change. Now will change. Yes. पेमेंट इसलिए माइनस कर रहे हैं. यहां तक की कहानी क्लियर है गाइस? यहां तक की कहानी क्लियर? सो in opening balance sheet, current account will be shown 300. Not 600, but it is 300. Got it, friend? Done? And now, second is a deposit account. Now, guys, deposit account is affected by number 5, and interest not yet entered in passbook, but there is 0 in opening. See, there is 0 in opening, right? Closing it is 20. So your deposit account will remain same. Because in opening there is no reconciliation, right? So this 20 to 30, this will remain same. No adjustment. No adjustment. It will remain same. No BRS. It will remain same. No BRS. No BRS. Right? But important point is, sir, 20 is there. 20 is in closing balance. Okay. So now tell me, interest not yet entered in passbook. Interest not yet entered in passbook. It is our receipt or payment. Now let's talking about closing balance 20. So this is our income or expense. It is our receipt or payment. It is our receipt or payment. It is our receipt or payment. It is our 20 is our receipt or payment. It is our income, sir, income. So, but it is a closing. So this closing balance, which is given 3090, I have to add 20, right? So it will become 3110 because it is also as per the passbook. So ये 20 अभी तक पासबुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं किए, पासबुक में नहीं आए, तो मुझे पासबुक के बैलेंस में ऐड करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट इज माय इनकम. रिपेयरिंग वाज माय एक्सपेंसेस. रिपेयरिंग वाज माय एक्सपेंसेस, तो मैंने माइनस किया. बट इंटरेस्ट इज माय इनकम, सो मैंने प्लस किया. 3110. It's a closing balance. It's a closing balance. So I have to add. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Absolutely correct. So I have to add. But in a closing balance sheet, in opening, no change. In opening, no change. So this 20, this 20 added here. Okay. So this 20 added here. This 20 added here. Done, guys? So now, after this all opening and closing, after this all opening and closing, now there are opening balance 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 4 amount. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So tell me, subscription due 150 is your asset or liability? Subscription due, it is your asset or liability? वो होगा होगा. इंटरेस्ट हम बाद में ऐड करेंगे जब आईडी बनाएंगे, चिंता मत करो. इंटरेस्ट और रिपेयरिंग में ऐड करेंगे जब आईडी बनाएंगे. अभी तो बैलेंस शीट में आप बैलेंस लिख दो. So tell me, subscription due is my asset or liability? Subscription due 150 is my asset. Amount due for printing. Amount due for printing, my asset or liability? Amount due for printing, my asset or liability? Amount due for printing is my asset or liability? It is my expenses. So it is outstanding expenses. It is outstanding expenses. Now this 300 is adjusted in बैंक बैलेंस. 300 हमने माइनस कर दिए. ओके गाइस. एंड estimated value of machinery and equipment 800 is my asset or liability. 800 is my asset or liability. 800 is my asset or liability. Sir, it is your asset. It is your asset. So 800 is asset. 800 is asset. Okay. So now we can put at proper place. So put this asset liability in balance sheet. Subscription due is 150. Machinery is 800. Is 800. And printing. And printing is your liability. Outstanding printing is your liability. It is 100. Now friend, apart from this, one very much important point. Okay. Which now see, you are having one more amount of 2019. Of 2019. This 400. Okay. So they have paid salary of secretary of 2019. Now this is, which year is this, guys? This is of 20. So in 20, they have paid salary of 2019. Guys, what does it mean? अगर आप 2020 में 19 का सैलरी पे करोगे, उसका मतलब क्या? What does it mean? अगर आप 2020 में 19 का सैलरी पे करोगे तो उसका मीनिंग क्या? What does it mean? ये जो लिखा है स्क्रीन पे उसका मतलब क्या? अगर आप 2020 में 19 का सैलरी पे करोगे तो उसका मतलब क्या? What does it mean? सर इसका मतलब ये कि 19 का आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी 20 में पे किया, 19 का आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी 20 में पे किया, राइट? इफ इन 2020 आई एम पेइंग सैलरी ऑफ 2019, it means 19 it was outstanding. Clear guys? Yes. Previous year it was outstanding. Yes, 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 yes. So I can write here, guys, outstanding honoraria, that is 400. Yeah, because it is paid in 20. So it is outstanding of last year. So I should write in last year outstanding balance, guys. Clear? It should be part of 19 balance sheet as outstanding because I paid in 2020. 3580, 3580, balancing figure is a capital fund. 3080, 3080. Yes, perfect, guys. Very nice. Very nice. All are correct. All are correct. Happy for this. Sir, it means it is outstanding in last year. And therefore we need to write, in last year balance sheet. In last year balance sheet. Okay. And now ironing and balance sheet. First need to write capital fund 3080, what we have find out. What we have find out. 100 प्रिंटिंग का दिया है डियर. आप देखो, आपके ओपनिंग बैलेंस पे देखो 100 दिया होगा प्रिंटिंग का. अमाउंट ड्यू फॉर प्रिंटिंग करके देखो एक बार. क्वेश्चन देखो. और चंचल आप पूछ रहे थे कि डेप्री आईएनई में किसका जाता है, तो सबका डेप्री जाता है. ऑल डेप्री इज पार्ट ऑफ आईएनई. ऑल डेप्री इज पार्ट ऑफ आईएनई. ऑल डेप्री इज पार्ट ऑफ आईएनई. ठीक है अमर एंड चंचल, आई थिंक नाउ इट इज क्लियर. Now let's put the closing also. Let's put the closing also of cash and bank balance. Okay. Cash, deposit and current. Cash, deposit and current. So now, as we have discussed, guys, here it is 3110, 3110, 250 and minus 1110, right? So 3110 and 250 will be on asset side. $250 and 3110, and this will be on liability side as a bank overdraft, right? It is minus 110. So we'll put it on liability side. We'll put it on liability side. Then, guys, yes, it will be as overdraft. It will be as overdraft. Yes. Okay, guys. और अब जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रिंटिंग वो मैं करा देता हूं इन 5 minutes. ओके, द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रिंटिंग. इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रिंटिंग. First of all, let's start with the income side. Okay, see. First is bank interest, 30 rupees. Okay, 30 rupees is given in question. Plus, we need to do 20 rupees, which is of adjustment, which is of adjustment number 5. You can read adjustment number 5. Right, guys? Okay, 30 and 20. So in INE, by interest, 30 is given plus 20, that is 50. When we have added 20 in bank balance, 2-3 students told me very correctly, sir, also add in income. So now I am adding in income also. It's a two-way effect. Add in bank balance, add in income. Add in bank balance, add in income. You are right. Okay. Clear, guys? Yes. 30 plus 20, that is 50. And same story about the repairing. That is also we are doing all together. Repairing. Now, guys, repairing is given you, see, 500. Repairing is given you 500. And adjustment number 3, which we have already done in bank balance. Already done in bank balance. Right? So, if you see it, the same as outstanding. 260 will be plus and 300 will be minus. 260 will be plus and 300 will be minus. The same what we did in last lecture, last question. 500 plus current year minus previous year. This is exactly what we did in our last question also. In our last question also. Okay. Plus current year minus previous year. Plus current year minus previous year. So plus 260 minus 300, that is 460. And this 260 and 300 we have already taken in bank balance. We have already taken in bank balance. So now one effect is in given in balance sheet in a bank balance, and now second effect we are giving in a INE. In a INE. In a INE. 260 plus and 300 minus. 260 plus and 300 minus. So printing is repairing is done. Now subscription 2600. Very simple guys. Same 100 plus and 150 minus. Subscription 100 plus and 150 minus. Subscription 2600 plus current year minus previous year. Like this. Same as last. Same as last question. Same as last question. So outer column will be 2550. Outer column will be 2550. Okay. An outstanding subscription, as discussed in last question, it is part of balance sheet asset side. Asset side of balance sheet. So outstanding of current year plus previous year minus, and 100 will be on asset side of balance sheet. So 2550 in INE. Okay. Now friend, this two is your income and expenses. So it will be set off. Okay, you can easily set off. You can easily set off. 300 receipts, okay, of tea, and it is 250. So 50 is your income. Okay. So from tea, it's a net income of 50. सिंपली एक्सपेंस और इनकम को एडजस्ट किया है. ओके. एंड सामने फेयर, सामने लिखना है आपके फेयर. जहां आपका 400 एंड 100 है, तो वहां एक्सपेंसिस ज्यादा है फ्रेंड. दैट इज 300. दैट इज 300. दैट इज 300. So in fair, it's a expense is more. In T, income is more. So remaining we will do in a next session, which is the last session, guys. Remaining we will do in a next session. So this one is over. Okay. So remaining 3 points important we will do in a next session. Okay. So next session will be my last session. We will try to cover as much as we can of illustrations. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Remaining some we will do in the next session. Yes. And we'll try to cover as much as we can. As much as we can. Yes. Allowed. Calculator is allowed. Thank you, Aniket. Thank you, Ruhani. Thank you, Om. Goodbye. Thank you, Pranathi. Thank you, Apurva. Chanchal, time is over. Okay. So if time permit, we will discuss on last session. Only blue. Only blue. Sure, sure, Amit, sure. कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है भाई, कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. एक चीज प्रॉपर लिखो, इट विल बी डन.